Hi, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make three different sizes of the new paper flower template, the puppy flower I made. So, when you purchase this template, you'll already have this petal in three different sizes. So it also comes with these two flat centers and at the same time the base. So we have the large. If you want to make the large, it's pre-laid out already. You will just size it on your Cricut. And this is the medium and this is the small. So I'm so excited about this project because this is super easy. I believe this is the easiest flower I've ever made and designed. So I think this is also good for kids project. It's super easy. So after you cut this one, anyway. So let's set aside our centers and let's work on our petals. So in this flower, all you need to do is cut six the same sizes petals. So unlike with my other flowers that it comes with layers and all the layers has gradual sizing on it, this one comes in all the same sizes. So with the large, you can only use six six sheets for the petals and then one sheet for the center and then a little bit for the base. So the first thing that we're going to do is to cut a slit on this flower, all six together, like so. And to create a body on it, we're going to softly curl the petals. Very easy, no other complication, just curl it this way. And also the remaining three petals here. So this would give and ensure that our petals, even though it only has six petals on it, it would create a body like a real puppy flower. So now that we soft curl it, we can now then glue the flaps together. So doing that, it would give our petals a dimension. So it will be more of a 3D look than just flat. So uniformly, we are gluing our flaps together. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is super easy. It can be, I believe it can be used in different occasion ornaments, and at the same time, as I said earlier, a project for the kids. So with the base that I made, this is a triangle. What we can do is to have a glue at the tip of your base and then just position it in the middle of each edges here, longer edges. So we have our 1. Now let's work on our 2. Second petal. And and the third. Yeah, so as you can see, it's super easy, and it is because of the base that we have here. Now we can go ahead and put our remaining petals. So this time we're going to put these three in between the previous petals. So that's easy. One, so that's the second, or the fifth, and then the last layer for this petal. So as you can see, our flower is already made. Now we can just put our center. So we have two centers here, this one and this. So let's go ahead and lay this one flat into our flower, like so. And the second flat center, let's try to curl this one upward to create dimension into our center. So that's it for our center. So now we have a completed poppy flower. And if we want to hang this one, guys, what I can recommend is to get a round base. I would prefer that it would be a cardboard, like the one that you can get from the Dollar Tree, because it's thick and it would really hold your flower so well. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put this hook made from a pipe cleaner, and we're going to put this one at the back of our flower in a gentle way. So we can now then just press it. So now you can hang this one, you know, with however you like a pen or a hook. So this flower, let's see how big is this. For the large, we are making an 18 inches flower. So not bad for 6 sheets of paper. And you know, if you have an event and you have the red theme, this would easily fill if you're planning to make a paper flower wall. So this is an easy solution if you are wanting to make a paper flower wall, but you know, don't want to bother with all the ones that are harder than this design. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. The medium and the small, it would be all the same procedure. There's no special on every size, and I just wanted to show you this is how it's gonna be laid out. So we have our large, we have our medium, and we have our small. For the small piece, all you need is 1 sheet of paper for the petals and the base. So very economical, super easy to make. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and click that bell on my YouTube page so that you will be updated whenever I am posting a new video. And please, if you haven't yet, please do subscribe. So uh, in the near future, I'm going to, you know, just give so much video for those who are subscribed on the channel. So thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, and until next video tutorial. Bye.